Hi guys, welcome to episode 2 of the power of the network integrator. In episode 1, we basically just introduced the series and gave you guys an idea of what we'll be discussing in every episode. In this episode, we're going to answer 2 very common but important questions. 1, what is a network integrator? And 2, what value do they add to your organization? The thing is, guys, we've noticed many times in our customer interactions, especially during stuff like prospecting or working with customers that don't really know us, many of them do not understand what a network integrator is. And we often have to address the misconception that a network integrator, their responsibility involves, racking and stacking, installing equipment, installing cables, and a lot of those physical stuff. But that by in no way, guys, describes the end-to-end role of a network integrator. So we often have to deal with that misconception up front. So let me start off by describing what a true network integrator is not. A network integrator is not an installer. Installation may be part of the role of the network integrator, but we are not installers, guys. All right, we are not just companies or individuals responsible for installing devices or putting routers and switches on racks and moving forward. A true network integrator, guys, is responsible for the delivery of end-to-end telecommunication solutions within your business. And when we say end-to-end technologies communication solutions, we're actually referring to not just installing the device, but ensuring that that device is properly integrated and is functional within the context of the organization and providing the solution that it was intended to provide. It's not just about installation, it's more about integration. All right. So not only that, the network integrator is focused on understanding the problem and working the solution with the organization. So it's a lot, guys. What value do they add? What value does the network integrator bring to your organization? So let me paint this picture. You have an organization that is responsible for delivering services to customers. And in delivering those services to customers, you have to transport data to and from different parts of your organization. For instance, a customer comes to you, you take the customer's information, that information is inputted, that information passes through your internal network, goes to your servers, you may need to interact with the internet, you may need to interact with other applications that are in the cloud, and the list goes on. The point is, guys, network integrators are responsible for creating those telecommunication paths that data traverses within the organization and outside of the organization. We work with you to create those paths. We work with you to ensure that those paths or conduits can actually transport the relevant business traffic that is necessary to ensure that your customers get their service. We also work with you to ensure that that path is secured from external access and all the other cybersecurity threats. All right. So guys, we bring value to your organization within the context of ensuring that you have a proper electronic communication platform to be able to sustain all business operations within the organization that subscribe to this platform. So we're not just installers, guys. We are a lot more than that, and we're very valuable to the organization. And I want to end by saying that in some cases, this was a deterrent to some of our interactions, because some of the new customers, they didn't understand what a network integrator is and the value that we bring. After going through and working with them to understand that, the conversations took a different turn. So take the time to ensure that the customer understands the role that you play and the value that you bring to an organization. That is a huge lesson. Thank you, guys.